Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Here's my review of JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing. This service is designed for individuals who prefer managing their own investments but still want the stability and reputation of a well-established financial institution without the high fees often associated with full-service advisory. JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing appears to be best suited for beginner and intermediate investors who prioritize simplicity and trust the JP Morgan brand. A key advantage is its commission-free trading for US stocks and ETFs, which makes it a competitive option in the current online brokerage landscape. The seamless integration with Chase bank accounts simplifies fund transfers and creates a streamlined experience, especially beneficial for existing Chase customers. The user interface is clean and straightforward, though traders seeking advanced charting tools or technical indicators might find it somewhat basic. JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing excels in its ease of use. Navigation is highly intuitive, allowing even novice investors to quickly grasp the fundamentals of buying and selling securities. The mobile app offers a responsive experience that mirrors the desktop platform, providing convenient access to research and market data on the go. Speaking of research, JP Morgan provides users with a solid foundation of resources, including market analysis and stock screeners to support informed investment decisions. While these tools are helpful, they may not be as comprehensive as those offered on platforms specifically designed for professional traders. A distinguishing feature is the inclusion of JP Morgan's own in-house research, offering investment insights derived from the expertise of a leading financial institution. This is particularly valuable for those who appreciate professional perspectives as part of their self-directed investment strategy. Another plus is the absence of a minimum balance requirement to open an account, making it accessible to individuals starting with a smaller initial investment. You can choose from various account types, including individual and joint taxable accounts, as well as IRAs, allowing you to tailor your approach and build a diversified investment portfolio. However, if you're looking for active trading features like real-time quotes or in-depth technical analysis tools, JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing might feel somewhat limited. Its focus seems clearly geared towards long-term investors who favor a more passive or semi-active investment style. Customer support is reliable, and you have the added benefit of in-branch assistance at Chase locations, a service not typically offered by other online brokers. Security is paramount, and JP Morgan's established infrastructure provides peace of mind knowing your investments are well protected. In conclusion, JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing is a solid option for beginner to intermediate investors who desire a straightforward, commission-free platform backed by a trusted financial institution. It's an especially convenient choice if you already bank with Chase and want to manage your finances in one centralized location. If you value simplicity, reliability, and security in your investment platform, JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing is worth considering. For more details and to explore the platform further, check out the links in the description below.